Hello from the Quails area. Today I want to show you the plants that everyone should grow, if not for yourselves, so for your birds, in the area where you keep them. So now let's get straight into it. Some of you will probably know already about this plant because I am talking very often about it when I'm doing food forest updates or our birds videos. So I'm talking about the Brazilian spinach. And this is the one everyone loves. And this is the one, by the way, you can buy in my online shop. So, talking about the Brazilian spinach, it is not only a very good quality perennial spinach that will easily grow in basically any soil as long as you give it some love. I have it growing in my food forest in many places. Basically mostly in shade or semi-shade, and we are using it very often for dishes like putting it on pizzas or at the end of the cooking. They really stay nice and crunchy, the leaves. And also our birds love it. You can see how the plant grows. It cannot grow out because everything what grows out will be eaten by the birds. So quails love it, chickens love it, ducks love it. So basically all our birds love. Guinea fowls love it too. Basically all birds we have are loving the fresh greens, and Brazilian spinach is perfect for it. So I grow it here in this cage, otherwise they will eat it straight away, and so the plant grows happily and the quails are eating what comes out of the cage. Yeah, you have eaten everything at the moment. Need to wait a bit longer. I have it growing here, basically next to the guava tree that is located on the west side of the plant. So it can protect the plant from the hot sun during summer. And I've got like a cage on top as well, some wire, because when the quails fly they might fall into it. So any rings I've got here, they got the top. So yeah, basically all you need is to buy one plant because it grows very easily from a cutting. I will make a video about it as well, how to grow it from cutting. So you need only one plant, and yeah, that's all you need to make your birds happy, yourself happy. Lots of health benefits, by the way, with the Brazilian spinach. So yeah, really highly recommended. And I have a few plants, very happy and healthy plants, ready to send at the moment when I'm sold out. you will need to wait for about 2 weeks or so, because then I will be doing a fresh plant for you. We are not a large nursery. This is really like a small home nursery what I'm doing. So I always have like a couple, at least couple of plants of each what I'm selling on my website, in my online shop. When I don't have it in stock in pots ready to send, I will make a fresh plant for you, and it takes a couple of weeks, sometimes a little bit longer, and I will send it as soon as I can. And it grows very easily in tropics, subtropics, all warm climate areas of Australia. And if you live in the colder parts of Australia, you probably will have to grow it inside during winter, or protected from the cold during winter, from the frost. So that's basically all for today. Let me know what you think about the Brazilian spinach. If you know the plant already, take care. I hope you liked the video, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.